Hello guys, welcome to my channel VERTEX tutorials. So today we are going to design a kind of short 3D pipe. In that we are going to use 3D sketch. So let's see how to design a 3D pipe. First of all, here go to sketch. Under this sketch you will find icon 3D sketch. Click on that. Now select line. Select this point and draw upwards. Now you can see that it is going in this direction. To change the direction, we just have to press tab key on your keyboard. Click on tab. Yeah, now it is going in YZ direction. Click on this. Now we want to go in this direction, ZX direction. Just click on tab. Now we want to go upwards, so just click on tab. You can move upwards and you can move in this XY direction. Now we want to move forward, so for that just click tab, YZ direction. Now we want to go in this direction. For that click again on tab, and now we can move in ZX direction. Now we want to move in the upward direction. Click on tab. Now in this direction, now we want to move in this direction. Click on tab. So we have a structure like this, and in this direction and this. Click escape. These dimensions are taken randomly. You can choose whatever direction you want. So I'm just going to draw a circle, then I'm just going to sweep that. Exit from the sketch, go to features, reference geometry, go to plane, select this line, select this point. We want a plane perpendicular to this line. Click on that. Now select this plane, sketch, Ctrl 8 for normal. Now select circle, make a circle passing through that origin, and now just give it a dimension 60 mm. You can change afterwards the diameter of this circle. Click OK. Go to features, sweep boss base, select this sketch and select this as a path. So we can see that our 3D pipe, or you can say that our 3D pipe is taking its shape. Click OK. Now let's do one thing. Hide this plane. Again go to sweep, sketch. Click edit sketch. Just increase this to 100. Now exit from the sketch. Let's see. Yeah. Go to fillet. Fillet all the corners, all the bends. You can see that. Clear selection. This bend, this bend, this bend, this bend, this bend, this bend also, this bend, this bend, this bend, this bend, and this bend. Click OK. we have somewhat a structure like this. It is actually looking like a real pipe because on the vents you will find some irregularities. So we have this kind of irregularities. Just go here, choose this. Yeah, you can see that it is taking its shape. This is our 3D pipe. Let's go to shell, click here, and we want to remove this face also, and just here type thickness 1 mm. That would be good. Let's see. Yeah, 1 mm is okay actually. Now just go to appearance, select this, go to metal, go to steel, polished steel, go here, edit appearance. We are going to select red pipe. Just make this at pipe clear section, entire body, sorry, select body, selected. Let's put it red pipe. Red pipe would be a fine choice. Yeah, it is looking very good, very nice. So this was our so this is my lecture on 3D pipes. So don't forget to share, subscribe, and like my videos, and you can watch all my other videos on my playlist. And yeah, thank you.